What's up, guys? Welcome to Shooting Surplus. My name's Rand, and today we're going to be covering Knight's Armament's newest series of suppressors, the PTR series, which stands for Pressure Reduction Technology. Okay, so we have the predecessor right here. This is the CQB. This is the newest MCQ, which stands for Mini Close Quarters. Right here, you can noticeably see the new PTR MCQ is 4.4 inches. The predecessor CQB model is 5 inches. This one weighs more, actually. It's 3D printed with steel and Inconel. It weighs 13.9 ounces. I weighed this one at the shop. It weighs 13.5. Specs say 13.2, but I'm sure it's full of carbon because it has a lot of rounds to it, and that's why. So what makes, other than 3D printed, you know, why are we talking about this? Why does it say pressure reduction technology? Well, in the last couple of years, you've seen commercial products come available for bulk carrier groups and charging handles and, you know, more suppressors for flow through or to relieve the amount of gas blowback in the shooter's face. And that's exactly what this is. If you come in close, Estevan, you can see right here, these little cuts are to relieve some blowback, let some gas out the front. Let's go shoot these. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Flow through works. I don't want to shoot that anymore. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, so we have the MCQ on first. One thing to note is the lockup is extremely tight to the rail. If you get these, you probably should shim your flash hider or muzzle brake out a little bit so you can get the full lock. Well, we're out. There's a little bit of blowback, but a lot of it's coming right here where the bulk carrier group is. But it's noticeably different with the MCQ versus the CQB. All right, guys, so we're done shooting. Some final thoughts. The MCQ is, in my opinion, noticeably louder than the predecessor CQB model. These acronyms are tripping me up. I had to retake this a couple of times now. Estevan, what's your thoughts? I think this one is louder. Maybe not by a ton of decibels, but at least a few, especially at the ear. I don't know, what's your opinion?
No, I definitely agree. I think that one is a lot louder than the older model.
So guys, y'all heard the footage. Comment, let me know what you think. Which one's quieter? The final thought though, the flow through technology, the PTR, does work. I don't know how well it's going to come across in camera, but the CQB model was noticeably gassier, to the point like it it was hard to breathe at one point because there's so much right in my face. The MCQ, there is still some blowback, which, you know, there should be some. It can't let all of it out the front. But there was a noticeable difference, and it does work. I will have to say the PTR technology does work. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to hold on to it for a while. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what I need to do next. Thanks for watching, guys.